I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will understand how to write coordinates of image points after series of transformations. The question here is, complete the following table by writing the coordinates of the image points after each transformation. We are given functions in the first column, and in the second column you have to write coordinates of the points starting with the point 1, 1 on the original function f of x. You can actually pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestion. So let's look into the series of functions. F of x transformed to f of 2x, f of minus 2x, 3 times f of minus 2x, 3 times f of minus 2, x plus 1, and then the final function is 3 times f of minus 2, x plus 1 minus 5. To explain how to get these points, let me get back to the transformations. If in general we have a function whose coordinate points are x and y, let us say in this case we are given 1 and 1, then I will show you what is the kind of change which takes place for these coordinate points after each transformation, right? So let me call them as image points. We will actually write image points here, but we'll do calculations in this column. So we are given that the function has a point 1, 1. Where will this point be on function f of 2x? Now when I write f of 2x, it means the function is horizontally compressed by a factor of half, right? So therefore, this point will change to half of x, and y point there is no change, right? So that is the kind of transformation. So if you apply this transformation here, right? So here the transformation is half of x and the same value of coordinate point for y, then the coordinate point will be half of 1, which is half, and the y value will remain the same, which is 1 in this case. Now let's look into the second transformation. In the second transformation, we have f of minus 2x. That is to say, if we consider with f of 2x, the only change is that it is reflected on y-axis. So now, to the given image point, the x value becomes minus of the original, right? And y value still remains the same. So this point changes to minus half 1. Now if I multiply the above function f of minus 2x by 3, it means we have vertical stretch by a factor of 3. Now vertical stretch will change the value of y coordinate value, right? So the transformation is vertical stretch by a factor of 3. So the point will be minus 2x 3y. So y value gets multiplied by 3. Multiplying the y value by 3, we get minus half comma 3, right? Let's look into the next one, where we have 3 times f, which we already had, minus 2 times x plus 1. Now in this particular case, there is a horizontal translation, and the horizontal translation is 1 unit left, right? So therefore, the x value of the coordinate will be reduced by 1. So it will be minus 1, y value will remain as 3y. So if I do minus 1 on half, then we get minus 3 over 2. The y value remains same, it is 3. The last function given here is 3 times f minus 2, x plus 1 minus 5. Now in this particular case, there is a vertical translation 5 units down. So the y value decreases by 5. So the coordinate points should be x remaining same as previous one, but the y value will be decreased by 5. So that gives us the final value of the image point as minus 3 over 2 and 3 minus 5, which is minus 2. So that is how we can get series of image points as we perform the transformation in steps. Well, some of you would have done it directly also. Like at times we do write direct transformation also. In this particular video, we will use it as a checkpoint. Now, f of x to 3 times f minus 2, x plus 1 minus 5. The coordinate points x and y will now change to, as far as the x values are concerned, minus of half of x minus 1, and y value will be 3 times y minus 5. If I substitute x with 1 and y with 1, I get this point as equal to minus half minus 1 and 3 minus 5, and that is equals to minus 3 over 2 minus 2, correct? As you can see, it is exactly same which we got by following the steps. Well, this is a very important video. It helps you to understand how we can sketch transformed functions following each transformation one by one. And the final stage, which I have shown you, at times you can sketch the final version directly using the transformation given. I hope that helps. I am Anil Kumar. You can subscribe to my videos and learn a lot. Thank you and all the best.